which is, by coincidence, the same year AI is projected to automate the vast majority of corporate decisions. Now, this means that most organizations will have deployed advanced AI governance systems while still being governed primarily by men. And Jenny, is that the risk that you're trying to name? That we will have institutionalized bias at machine speed before the governance reform catches up?
Absolutely. You've put the nail on the head, as they say. Yeah, completely. This is, if we go at the pace that we're trying to go at, we are accelerating and amplifying bias at scale. It already exists. It's only a mirror of us. And we know bias exists in society. We know women are in that pipeline, but we hit that glass ceiling and we don't get through. And it will just amplify that. And it can be very inadvertent. It's not always direct. It's not so clear always that the bias is in the system. And that's why I encourage a slowing down, a pausing, a thoughtfulness and understanding. So there's an example of Google Ads, where an organization was trying to recruit, I think it was trying to recruit nurses. And it automatically went to another group who were not, they said they didn't want to recruit men or women, they just wanted to recruit nurses. But because of the group that they went towards, they were mostly women. So women then responded to the nursing advert. It was only being directed at women. So the groups that get chosen, you might say, I want men and women to apply for the nurses, this nursing role. And you put that into Google Ads, but who Google Ads goes to get that data becomes only women and perpetuates that bias. And this is the challenge, that we have to work through that. And if we just accelerate it at scale, we are just going to amplify what we currently do in society at scale. And I think we can talk about women. We can also talk about the fact that the data, I mean, people often, talk about the fact that it's often white men who created these systems and the data is majority group, global north. We also can think about the global south, the fact that actually people will be working with data that doesn't even relate to them. And using AI in different parts of the world, and how could that disadvantage them? What might it be thinking? So yeah, I don't want to get into all the topics of the book, but this is it. This is the crux of the problem.